Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Trello to Google Calendar, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account if you aren't already. Select the board you want to connect to Google Calendar. Click on the Show Menu button on the right side of the screen. In the menu, select Power UPS. Search for Calendar in the Power UPS directory. Click on the Add button next to the Calendar power-up. Now, open the Calendar power-up settings by clicking on the gear icon. You will see an iCalendar feed link. Click on it to copy the URL. Next, open a new tab and go to Google Calendar. Log in to your Google account if needed. In Google Calendar, locate the +Add Calendar option on the left side. Select from URL from the drop-down menu. Paste the Trello iCalendar URL you copied earlier into the provided field. Click on the Add Calendar button. Your Trello cards that have due dates should now appear in Google Calendar. To customize the calendar's name, hover over the calendar name and click on the three dots. Select Settings to make desired adjustments. You have successfully connected Trello to Google Calendar. Now you can view your tasks and deadlines all in one place. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.